Hey guys, welcome to today's video and welcome back to my channel and welcome to my channel if you are new. In case you don't know who I am, my name is Nadia and I do a whole bunch of reviews, maybe a couple of tutorials every now and then, and you know, we have fun here. I hope we do. So in today's video, I will be trying out this new eyeliner from L'Oreal. Is their matte signature. And you know, I kind of need a new eyeliner and you know what, might as well try it out to see how it wears. In case you guys don't know, I do have a full-time job and I'm usually out about 12 hours because you know, by the time I wake up, apply, like do my face and everything, actually working, and then by the time I get home, it's pretty much 12 hours. So that's pretty much what my reviews are kind of based on, if you don't know already. One of the things that is. So we are gonna check this eyeliner out to see how it is. But before we get started with today's video, I highly suggest you hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you're notified when I do upload a new video, because sometimes YouTube doesn't do that for whatever reason. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you do like L'Oreal or makeup, or just if you tried out this eyeliner and you loved it, give this a thumbs up as well. And follow me on my social media handles, wherever side they may be. And now let's get started with the video. So just some information with this eyeliner. I did get this at Shoppers Drug Mart for about $15. So it's not a bad price. It is drugstore pricing, and just in case you guys don't know, I live in Canada, so it is in Canadian dollars. So 15 Canadian dollars, and this is supposed to be a liquid eyeliner, obviously. It's also matte. And the one thing I don't like about certain eyeliners is that majority of them are felt tip. I don't like felt tip liners because for me, I'm very picky when it comes to applying my eyeliner. I kind of like a very sharp wing. So with felt tip liners of any sorts, except for one, it doesn't give me that. Like the only one that ever gave me like a sharp, like the eyeliner look that I want was the Tom Ford Precision liner. It's like a dual side eyeliner, and first of all, it lasts all day. It doesn't flake. It's the deepest like black ever. It's so good, but it's so expensive. So fair to say, I don't really buy that too often, and I usually go for brush tip liners because I can actually achieve that. It actually maneuvers a lot better than a felt tip in my opinion, because some felt tips, they're a little bit too hard and they don't really move that well. So with this, I was thinking, okay, well, this is a matte eyeliner. I love that. Felt tip, I do give some felt tip liners a try, only because since that Tom Ford one worked so well. So with this, we definitely gave that a shot. So once again, this is $15. It lasts all day. And what I found interesting was that the component, there are bumps around the handle right here. So when you do open it, this is what it looks like. Of course, it's felt tip. And the reason why they did this is that it's better to hold on to. There's more grip to that, so it doesn't fall out or anything, you know, just going nuts. So I found that very interesting. And you know what? I love matte liners, so I figured I would give this a go. So this is also supposed to be waterproof. There's an intense color payoff. I personally don't think there's a intense color payoff because when I was applying it, it didn't look like there was really much. Now, prior to applying the eyeliner, I did do my usual way of doing it. Like I do the eyeshadow first to kind of have like a base to give like a guide, and then I apply the eyeliner. However, it doesn't seem like it was giving a intense payoff. There was payoff there, don't get me wrong, but it wasn't intense as I figured it would be. And there's not supposed to be any smudging. It's supposed to be transfer resistant. So, you know, all those factors, it sounded really great. However, when I was applying it, I've noticed that it didn't give me the sharpest wing as I would like it to be. So the application wasn't too bad. It was pretty easy, and with the gripped handle, basically, it actually worked quite well. But it was the wing part of it that I wasn't really a fan of, because I do like a sharper wing. And I'm very picky about it, and I will spend like hours, okay, maybe not hours, I will spend a long time just to achieve that. And if for whatever reason it doesn't look like it's a sharp line, I will have a bad day, maybe a bad morning, let's just say. So I wasn't really a fan of that, but the application wasn't too bad. I wish the color payoff was a little bit more intense, but for $15 drugstore, it is what it is. So I definitely gave this a go, and I did do a check-in. Didn't do much, but I did do something. So you will see that in the next clip. So it's been about 5 hours here, so it's pretty much 5 p.m. And as you guys can see, the eyeliner is still looking pretty good. There is no smudging, no flaking. The color is still pretty pigmented, and even in the inner corner, it hasn't faded at all. And it's usually faded around this time, so not bad. Okay guys, so it's now 7:30, and I basically had this on for 7 hours now. And you know what? It's still holding up quite well. There is no flaking going on. I don't hate it. The only thing, like I said, is that I do prefer my wing to be slightly more sharper, like really sharp. I can live with this, but I know like when I'm like applying everything, at the back of my mind I'm thinking I need this to be sharper. So I don't hate it. I don't love the fact that it's like that, but that's usually how felt tips are. But with the formula, there is no flaking. As I said, it goes on quite well. I don't like how it's so watery and pretty light, but there is no flaking going on, so that is still pretty good. And you know what, for a 7-hour wear, and the fact there's no flaking, and even when you reapply it over and over and there's still no flaking, is actually quite astonishing. But personally, like I said, I don't like felt tip liners whatsoever. I like to stick with the brushes. But that's just a personal preference. But the formula is pretty good, despite it being kind of like watery and pretty light, and you have to constantly like dunk it in. But I think that's just how the packaging is like. But I don't hate it. I don't love it, but I don't hate it. I will continue to use this. I guess just for me personally, I will just use another eyeliner to kind of have the more sharper wing. But in terms of everything else, I will definitely use that. It worked really, really well. I do like it. But as I said, the felt tip is just the felt tip. But in any case, I do like the formula regardless. I don't know how many times I gotta say that, but I do like it, and I just hit myself on the chin. Good job, Nads. So anyways, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this helped you out, and if you want to pick out this eyeliner or not. I still don't like how the packaging is like, because you always have to dunk it in, but that's besides the point. But again, I hope this review helps you out. And before you leave, make sure you check out these other 2 videos right here. If you haven't done so already, I don't know why you wouldn't though. I hope you guys watch my videos, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. I don't know, I'm doing a peace sign, but bye.